Everyone's waiting for the puppet show to start.
Dada, go! We're going to start a puppet show.
Okay, sounds like a plan. Ah, some music to get the show started.
We didn't see you there. Hello, everybody. Hello. Sorry we're late. Would you like to hear what happened to us? Yes. We were driving along in our car, vroom, vroom, when suddenly it stopped working.
Oh no! How are we going to get to Sammy's birthday party now?
We could get a bus.
Yes, let's do that. I don't see a bus coming.
That's a surprise. We'll just have to wait. Will you tell us when the bus is coming? Okay. All this waiting is making me sleepy.
I'm not surprised, waiting for a bus.